Hi, this is my submission for the CS50 Project 0, Search. I've created a front end for Google Search, Image Search, and Advanced Search using HTML and CSS. This is the main Google Search page I created. You can see the centered search bar with rounded corners and a centered search button below it. There are links in the top right corner to go to Image Search and Advanced Search. Let's try a regular Google search. For example, I'll type in CS50 and click Google Search. As expected, I get redirected to the page with all CS50 results. But what if I wanted to skip this page? Then I can do the I'm feeling lucky. That redirects me to the first result on the page, skipping the previous step altogether. We can also do an image search. So for example, in the image search bar, if I type something like cats, then when I click Google Image Search, it redirects me to the images page. Next, the Advanced Search page. You can see 4 input fields. All these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words. All of these are styled like Google's own, vertically stacked and left aligned, like Google's actual Advanced Search. Even the button is blue with white text, just like Google's own Advanced Search. Now let's try an Advanced Search. So here I can go to, for example, CS50. So CS50. And I can select English. And I get the results. My project includes 3 working pages: Google Search, Image Search, and Advanced Search. Working search functionality on all pages, top right links for navigation, an I'm feeling lucky button, advanced search fields and get parameters, styling that closely mimics Google's own design, and proper file structure. Thank you.